Back once again. This is gonna be week 4, day 2. So week 4, day 2, it was getting the labels working and the gates working. I have a quick clip. Quick clip is basically me running through the stage, and I didn't even set up the actual gate and the actual end of the gate. But what I did set up was the functionality for it, and those two things are at the very beginning. But I keep saying, but you're just gonna see footage of me running through the stage and just getting as far as I possibly can, which I'm pretty sure I don't even get too far. I get to almost the end, and once that's all like said and done, and that like not works, but I tested it and I have actual footage of what was gotten done, and we're pretty far into it. So now I'll just yap on about multiple things like the timer. It's not too difficult to do. I realized that it's just done with a script that's like attached to it, even though I was kind of worried about, it being client side, but it ends up working out. And really, you just have to integrify that they don't do it too fast, which I figured people can't really get it done in like less than 45 seconds. I think. I mean, I'm pretty sure. So there's that, and that's a way to check it. After I like handle the label, I'm pretty sure I just go into quality of life, like when you die it appears again, which I said in the last video. And then I start jumping into like actually getting the jumps to work, like a little bit fundament, like somewhat, but I know from watching the rest of the videos that I'm going to be doing, at least for tonight, I get the jumping working. It's tracking the jumps. I don't put too much time into it because it's just been a week for me. And yeah, after like the jumps are working on the videos after, then I get the leaderboards and then it's finished. So thanks for sticking around. This is week 4, day 2. I really only got like 2 minutes out, and that's like about almost as long as this whole video. So thanks for tuning in, and I'm grateful that people are still around watching or this helped. But I also think that at this point, like I've said in the previous videos, I've said all that I can say about the game and everything of what I did, because I'm ending up turning like 10, 20, 30 minutes of coding into like 2 minutes of content, and I can't really speak too heavily on the intense amount, like not even intense amount, but like the mechanics and everything I did before, like making a graphical user interface and then making a timer when you touch something is like, it almost feels so trivial to me now because I've been doing this for like 4 weeks now. Yeah, like 4 weeks. So it just feels like it was really easy for me to do, and I looked it up just to make sure how to do it, but like it's really easy now, and I'm happy that I can just jump into things and figure out how to do them without having to look it up, and then I can look it up after the fact, and then I can confirm how it's supposed to work, and things work on like the first, second, third try, and I only run into some minor bugs, or it's mostly about like me making sure that nothing goofy is gonna happen and stuff like that. So I managed to ramble on for another minute, but that's gonna be the end of the video here. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm probably gonna be releasing this one. This one will be released tonight, and then I'll schedule another one to release tomorrow. And then I think I'm just gonna get all the videos out tonight on the 7th and schedule them all. And I did take a little break from doing it, but I'm going to start up a new series of making the new game, and I've done like one day, and I think I got pretty far with the one day. So yeah, thanks.